Woo! Oh, yeah. Life is so much better looking through these LVs, baby. I see you, Big Will. Yeah, you're my dog, yeah. Tell me why I feel like we almost there. Take your chugs.
There's no place I'd rather be. Getting kinda like, yeah, I'm running free. Gonna sail to the top with no fear, cause I'm almost here, yeah, I'm almost here. I'm almost there, yeah, I'm almost there. I've been so busy while I'm up in the air, and I'ma keep pushing, cause you know I care. You know I care, cause I'm almost there.
I can't wait until I'm famous. Sick of all the people who do not know what my name is. No identity, shit, it's like I'm nameless, but I'ma be picture perfect. Who is gonna frame this? Who is gonna stop me from hogging the paparazzi and all the girls saying Poppy and bringing the heat? No hibachi, watch me. Yes, it's my time, watch me. And I'll be showboating so much, someone better dock me. Yes, I'ma speed it up, someone better clock me. Attitude is confident, farthest thing from cocky. For some reason, everywhere I go, the girls flock me. I'm almost up the steps, call me Rocky. Cause everywhere you go, they know who you are. Wanting autographs, cause you're a superstar. I cannot wait for that type of lifestyle. Come on! I say we get there right now. So first off, I'ma make my life a party. Don't start me, I'm going hard. You cannot guard me. Sipping on that good stuff, chilling on that hammock. Everything I want, yeah, I'll probably demand it. I'm sitting first class, no more bus pass. I remember when at recess they picked us last. Making my way to the top, you better trust that. Your seat on the throne, you're gonna have to adjust that. I'm in the tropics with a few hot chicks, spitting freestyles or talking about different topics. I want a cool chick, 0% bullshit. When I get there, I'ma stay there. Yeah, it's true, bitch. And everywhere I go, they blast my music. I'm headed for the top, bruh, and I'm cruising. You could rock the boat on my oceans and calm seas. Bitches on beaches, and I'm surrounded by palm trees.
There's no place I'd rather be. Getting kinda like, yeah, I'm running free. Gonna sail to the top with no fear, cause I'm almost here, yeah, I'm almost here. I'm almost there, yeah, I'm almost there. I've been so busy while I'm up in the air, and I'ma keep pushing, cause you know I care. You know I care, cause I'm almost
So
there.
I got big dreams, chilling at the top, looking down on these clowns, knowing that I can't be stopped. Look, no one ever told me that this shit was gonna be easy, so I'm